Hello everyone. Many people like chicharon. This is another version and it's very trendy. Chicken chicharon. Normally takes a long time to do this, but I have the way to make it fast. Welcome to SaigoncookTravel. I am Saigon Cook. Let's go into the kitchen with me. So I have 300 gram chicken skin here. Anytime I cook chicken, I don't need skin. I collect that dump in a bag and put in the freezer and take out whenever I need them. So in the wok now is water with salt and vinegar. And I drop my chicken skin in and cook for about 10 minutes. Normally the Americans will cook 3 hours and after that they bake in the oven to crisp them. But I cook my skins on the skillet or wok or pan only 10 minutes and then I drop in the pan again and cook them. I flip them from time to time so that they crispy and yellow and brown both sides. Now when I saw a lot of render fat collected, I pour off the fat and I put the skin back on and continue cooking until crispy and firm both sides. The fat don't throw away. Use it to do many things. I hope you like my video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos to come. Thank you. Bye bye.